Yo family, what's good and welcome back to another Zebec video where Zebec has been performing so much better lately. It is currently down 2.42% on the daily time frame, but it is recovering from that support level low of 0.003, trading in the support band right now valued at 0.0036, and is currently up about 20% in value since 2 days ago, which is a lot better, no doubt, from where I am sitting, in my opinion. Not financial advice, of course. I think there's a possibility that Zebec could continue this momentum, considering all of the imminent catalysts, the exchange listings coming to Zebec, the rumors of Coinbase also being closed. Most importantly, Zebec now officially joining the Wall Street Titans on the Circle Arc testnet. Big stuff there. And then the fundamental developments being the end of the government shutdown. It's very near, and that would accelerate the Clarity Act being passed into law, which all of these developments would be very big for Zebec. So again, in my opinion, not financial advice. And also based on my premium insights, this document here from Rebank, it suggests there will be a number of so-called clear winners in this incoming cycle, this altcoin season. And from where I am sitting, Zebec seems to be one of them. To learn more though and level up your crypto knowledge, come join my free Discord community. Links are down below in the description. So to start off with, where do we start off with? We start off that we've just received huge word here from Zebec that they will be officially launching on Bitvarvo exchange, listing on the exchange. Very, very big news here. Bitvarvo have over 2 million daily active users to my knowledge, over 10 billion monthly trading volume, very big stuff there, and they're the largest spot exchange across all of the European Union. Not to mention, they're the first MiCA regulatory compliant exchange, which is a major deal. This opens the door for more institutional participation with Zebec under a regulated framework and a strong step towards global adoption. Now, to my knowledge, there's going to be 2 listings on Bitvarvo for Zebec, being a Zebec USDT trading pair and a Zebec EUR, so Euro trading pair as well. And from what I've heard as well, according to Zebec CEO Simon, there will be many more top tier exchange listings coming very soon. So that's a lot to look forward to. And this could potentially be where the rumors coming in for Coinbase, basically. Zebec is yet to break into the Coinbase and Binance bubble, the 2 largest exchange in the world, which will of course result in significantly more capital and adoption and demand coming to Zebec, therefore setting its price a hell of a lot higher. We can see here from Zebec Man, apparently Coinbase has been quietly stacking Zebec tokens since 2021, which is crazy to think, but wouldn't be too surprising when you consider and remember that Coinbase Ventures dropped $35 million early into Zebec. But does this mean, therefore, we're going to be getting a massive Coinbase exchange listing for Zebec very soon, a listing on their platform? Time will tell. Apparently, there has been a lot of evidence supporting that mass accumulation, therefore a listing is coming very soon. Apparently there's been over 572 million Zebec token inflows to a Coinbase hot wallet from crypto.com. Similarly, 135 million Zebec tokens from another Coinbase hot wallet here. So we've been seeing a lot of accumulation, and apparently Coinbase now hold over 5 billion Zebec tokens from 2021, which is nuts to think. And you are more than welcome to fact check this for yourself on SoulScan here. The token address here is listed right here, and I'll also link this post down below in the description to go find it easily for yourself. Now, me personally, I cannot say for sure whether or not Coinbase will or are about to list Zebec, but be that as it may, I still believe that there are many significant catalysts coming for this project. The exchange listings, be it Bitvarvo or more importantly Binance or Coinbase, they are huge FOMO candles, no doubt. They cause a lot of significant volumes coming in a very short time frame. You know, it happened with Kraken not too long back as well. Kraken did this, and now Bitvarvo have done this. So there's no surprise there, and no mistake. If Coinbase or Binance was to launch a Zebec trading pair, I think it's quite comfortable for me to say that Zebec would probably surpass its all-time highs here. If Zebec got a Coinbase listing right now, I think Zebec could easily pump above all-time highs, making quite a comfortable 2x in value, if not going a little bit higher. Again, time will tell. Exchange listings do cause a FOMO candle. However, I still believe there's got a lot of developments for Zebec coming through that will give it a bit more longevity. more foundation, if you will. As Simon, the CEO of Zebec, states in his interview, the recent increase of mergers and acquisitions, or M&As, the wave is a signal, not a threat. It's a big signal that we're at a tipping point, and those who are positioned accordingly, like Zebec, therefore, they're going to reap these benefits. Take a listen.
One thing that stands out right now is how aggressively institutions are entering the crypto space. We've seen major moves from Coinbase acquiring BVNK. We've got MasterCard acquiring Zero Hash, BlackRock continuing just to expand its presence across the space. How do you interpret this phase then? Is it competition for Zebec, or is it actually a signal that the market is maturing and moving closer to what you guys have been building all along?
It's definitely the latter. The recent M&A activity that we've been seeing in the space has been a validation of our thesis in so many different ways. This is not competition, rather, it's confirmation. The same institutions that people once doubted are now validating blockchain's core thesis. As we've seen through this recent spree of acquisitions, when Wall Street starts building, they don't reinvent the wheel. Rather, they integrate with existing rails. This is exactly the same strategy that Zebec has pursued years before anyone else in the game was even doing it.
And this is why I stated earlier on in this video that there will be a number of so-called clear winners for this incoming institutional wave and altcoin cycle, and for me, Zebec seems to be one of them that will be one of the winners. According to one of my premium insights I've shared exclusively to my VIP community, this document here from Rebank, it goes into more detail about what we're going to be seeing in the very, very near future. And on page 55 down here, quite a ways down, it states that the implications, they are clear. The winners of the tokenization wave will not be those who merely issue assets, but they'll be those who are building the rails that make them usable. Infrastructure is the key to unlocking growth. Infrastructure is key right now. And when you think about Zebec, we have deep integration and interoperability within the blockchain space to the XRP ledger, to the Quay network, Octaspace, and many, many more, 18 chains and counting, to, the fact that they're now MiCA compliant and also now listed on Bitvargo Exchange, the MiCA compliant exchange, and they're also closely aligned with the US regulatory body to my knowledge, and the Clarity Act, again, passing very, very soon, will be a huge boost to Zebec. Not to mention with Zebec's goal to fix the payroll industry through the use of stablecoins. To me, Zebec's infrastructure looks ready to unlock more of that growth, and the integration into ARC, we'll talk about in a moment, will further this goal, which is why, again, I think Zebec's a clear winner, and this is just one of the hundreds of premium insights and alpha documents I have showed exclusively to my VIP community, alongside making money through trades as well. We just posted this on the Twitter right now, so to learn a lot more, if that interests you, click the link down below and check out the VIP. We also have a limited time offer. You can join for free for 7 days, or you can join for free for a month. Should you click the link down below, the affiliate link, and sign up to BYDFI. No KYC, no VPN, regulated exchange. All information provided in our free Discord server right here and right here. So come find out more. Links down below in the description, and I hope to see you there. Now, it seems that end of Q3, almost 2 months back now, a month and a half now, it ended quite well for Zebec. And it looked like we saw steady momentum across payroll and cards with a promise to expand and accelerate further going deeper into Q4. Again, we are halfway in right now, and with all these listings and some speech, that to me is proof that we are starting to see this acceleration take place. But if that wasn't enough information for you, well, then this most definitely should be. Zebec officially joining Circle USDC's ARC Testnet, the institutional grade network being explored by firms like Visa, State Street, and Invesco. Funnily enough, we have just posted alpha documents from the likes of State Street and Visa about what they're experiencing and what they believe to be coming in this space very soon. So again, to find out more, VIP links down below in the description. You've got Invesco, you've got MasterCard, that's not even more. You've got so many more a part of the Testnet. Blackrock, Deutsche Bank, SBI, Amazon Web Services, BNY Mellon, Goldman Sachs, the list goes on. They are all members of this Circle USDC ARC Testnet. So it's a bet here, taking this leap to be amongst the industry titans is huge, and it's only possible due to the groundwork Zebec laid earlier on, being an early investment of Circle, being a member of the Circle Alliance. Now they have been brought further into this fray. Zebec continues to lead in developing payroll and payment rails within the USDC ecosystem, paving the way for broader institutional adoption, and they even become more widely known in the retail sector. As Zebec and Uphold's partnership, they are now sponsoring some NBA and NHL games this month. Honestly, Zebec seems to be cooking right now. Truth be told, again, the market trajectory is still uncertain. Zebec and crypto could still see corrections from here, but the path forward in the coming weeks, if not months, looks very, very clear. It's going to be up, and Zebec again seems to be one of those winners. To come find out more, again, family, check the VIP out, links down below in the description. And as always, don't be emotional, be logical, and I'll see you in the next one.